Good morning. Well, I woke up this morning and came straight to this, and they started out pretty good, and that it ended up coming down against me, but I managed to come back from it. So we're good there. Um, what is there to talk about? I decided to eliminate one of my rules of not shorting. Reason being, there's a lot of opportunities to get profit when you are shorting that I'm missing out on because I've made that rule because I was too afraid to do it. So I'm not again, I'm not playing with real money right now. So why wouldn't I just try it and practice? And it worked out in my favor very nicely. So quick little rundown of today I'm in a positive. So this is the first day that I've actually made money, so to speak. Most money I made was from, so yeah, right, I'm actually low. And I call this Donkey Kong. I know it's not Donkey Kong, but it's fun to call it that. What is it? DraftKings. Yeah. So, lost or lost 50 bucks on that one. Realistically, because of my commissions, I am still under because I did have 54 trades today. So that's quite a bit of commissions. Again, we're just practicing. Hopefully, I'll get to a point where I'm not making that many trades. And I have lowered my amount of companies that I trade on down to five today, which is certainly better than it has been. This used to be quite a long list. So really just narrowing it down to just one or two, or in this case, I guess five different symbols that I'm working on. Moving forward, I guess we'll talk about Riot. Let's see what I did wrong with Riot. What is this? Go away. So Riot this morning was interesting. Click, 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 click. Definitely did a lot of trades here. Just was unsure about some of the certain trades that I made. Lost money initially there. Lost, I would say, yeah, that's another loss there. Gained some of it back here. Actually, I think at that point yeah, I was shorting at this point. So I actually gained a lot of the money back that I lost previously by shorting. And I think this was probably the point where I was like, I got to short. I have to. And I think I tried again there. It didn't work out. And so I sold, or I covered rather, and then tried again and covered. So again, I'm just trying to get used to it there and learning it. There's a big long pause here as well because I did have to leave in order to drive my partner to work, but came right back and immediately gained a little bit more on Riot blockchain. So that was good. A lot of learning there. I did, in order to get some of my money back on some of these, I did actually make some pretty heavy trades, and I guess arguably quite risky to do that. It's not arguable. It's actually absolutely correct that it is risky to do that. So, not something I want to get in the habit of doing. Let's move on to Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong, what did you do for me today? Oh, I wanted to figure out how to zoom in on this thing. That's just a crosshair. Is this a zoom? This looks like it could be a zoom. It is, sort of. Anyways, not the kind of zoom I'm looking for, though. I apologize, guys. I'm still learning. This one, was this a short? No, this was a sell. So I actually lost money initially here. And then I gained some of that back there. Bought and gained. Oh, actually, I ended up shorting here. And then it kind of continued to go up. Must have been. Yeah, I must have. Time 9:44. Wow, within seconds. Not even a minute later, I covered my my short there for a loss, and then shorted a couple times here, and ultimately got a bit of a profit on that one. That wasn't too bad. Still reported a loss on that one. Let's check out CLNE. What did I do right there? Apparently, it is, again, I'm doing a ton of trades, like over trading for sure, and I shouldn't be doing that. I need to be a little bit more patient on stuff. That would have been a good opportunity, but I wonder if there's a way I would have been able to see that. I don't think so. Yeah, I think I would have hesitated anyways, just because the pre-market high was right here. Once it got broke pre-market high, then I should have started going in on stuff or shorting up here. I think I may have shorted here. Yeah, I did short here, and then I backed out. No, I didn't. Look at that. I got a bit of a profit on that one. Then I bought there, and I sold here for more of a profit. So a lot of trades this morning that I shouldn't have done. Just over trading. So, I think I'm starting to get the grasp of stuff on this. I just still things that I need to work on. What am I at? 6 minutes. Another thing that I need to work on is just being a little bit more patient and even bringing this list down a little bit further. And lost my train of thought. And just controlling the amount of trades that I'm doing and stop over trading so much, because that'll kill me in the end with the commissions when the time comes. The big question for me today, and it's something that I was thinking about earlier, is day trading for me after a week of doing this? I need to practice a whole lot more. I'm very afraid of getting in on this full time and for real. But well, certainly not full time. I won't be going full time. I'm going to try to take a different shift at work, and it might be a good opportunity. It's basically a 10, maybe 11 o'clock till 9 o'clock at night shift. So that gives me an opportunity to be able to get a proper night's rest and also be able to trade in the morning for a bit. Again, we're Pacific here, so 6:30 is our market open time. So if I'm here from 6 o'clock until 10, I can. That's pretty much where most of the profit will happen, anyways. So, and then I can just go to work and repeat. So I'm going to talk to my boss about that today, and see if I can do that. Plus, I think it's just going to be better for my own mental health, to be honest. So, which is also very important when you're trading. You don't want to get too emotional with it. And I was emotional with it this morning and making some risky trades I shouldn't have done, only because I was down and I wanted to get up. I had gotten down as far as like $800 realized, and managed to get that back. I want to say it was because of smart trades, but I think I was mostly running on hope, and it just happened to pay off for me this time. But that's just not a good way to go. So anyways, not really much else to talk about other than that. I am shorting now. Shorting. I'm going to start shorting, lower this list a little bit more, and control the amount of trades that I'm doing on each one. But besides that, things are going good. I am at a plus today. I am going to stop for the day at a profit and get ready for work. The real job. I don't want my real job anymore. Okay, bye.